Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to share with you today is how to create a sales campaign and how to add and remove items from your sales campaign. So the first thing, you will need to be in Kitely, of course, and you will go to sales campaign, and I already made my sales here, so this is going to be the one I'm going to work off, but I'll show you. You will go to create sales for a new one, then make the date. Mine's February sale, so whatever you want to name it, and then select your dates, and then you would press OK. So the next thing that you would want to do is add product to your sales campaign. So I'm going to do this first tunic dress, and then you will go to action and add to sale. Make sure it's in your sale, because you can have more than one, so make sure it's in the right one and the dates are correct. Now you'll go to discount, and I'll make it 25% off, and then you press OK. So you'll go to your sales campaign here under sales campaign, and you'll see there it is right there, the very first one. So let's say that I want to change this to 20%. You would make sure you click it, and then you'll go to add to sale, and all you're going to change here is the discount. So I'm going to make it 20%, and then press OK, and you'll see here it's 20%. Now let's say I don't want to put this on sale, so I'm going to remove it. Click it again, go to action, remove from sale, and make sure it's clicked, everything's correct here, and then press OK, and it's gone. So I hope that helped you. I'm just learning all this stuff, and I just would like to share it with everyone. So if anyone has any questions or comments, please do so in the comment section, and like this video so it encourages me to do more. And I thank you for watching today. Have a great day and a great weekend. Bye.